Hi everyone, welcome back to the session Data Types in Python. In the last session we have discussed the tuples data types, and now in this session we are going to discuss about lists. Now you will have heard about the lists a lot, but again, as I mentioned earlier, a list is basically a collection of various numbers, strings, literals and so forth. So you can look at the examples here. Now, when you see a list, basically it is defined in a square brackets. So earlier we had seen it, it was using curved braces, but here you are using the square braces. Be sure if you are using a list, then you use square braces. In case if you use curly braces, it will be considered to be a tuple and you will not be able to modify it. Okay, let us look at some of the operations that we perform using the list. So here also same as earlier, you have concatenation, you have a repetition, you have a slicing, and then you have indexing. Now you have seen the same for tuples. So I am not going to repeat this as such, but let us look at the type specific operations. Now here you have append operation. Now using the append operator, I have a list that has 1, A and 2.5. Now once I call list.append of D and I specify the value that I wish to add, then what happens is that the value gets added to my list. But let us say if you wish to extend your list to multiple variables, then you can use the extend operator inside which you will be specifying another list. And these would be added to my original list. So here you had 1A and 2.5. Once I use list.extend where I am specifying C and D, then it gets updated to 1A, 2.5, C and D. Now similar to append and extends is the insert operator. But using the insert operator, there is something specific that you can do. That is, you can specify a certain position in your list where you wish to add an element. So here, what I have done is, I have specified 2 and then B. So basically, what it means is that I need to add B third place from the start of the list. So again, when I say 2, our indexing starts from 0. So B would be between A and 2.5. So you can see the output 1A, B and 2.5. The last one is pop operation. The pop is basically removing one by one element from the list. So this actually follows a top-down approach. Now the last value that was inserted into the list. So here you have C to be the last value that would be removed from that list. So let me just show you some of these examples. So let's say I have my list. So again, don't forget to define a list. You are going to be using a square bracket, and here let us set certain values, colors. So I will go with green and you have red. Now make sure these are in quotes because these are strings. Then there is blue, yellow. Next I will put pink. So let's see some of the list specific operations. Let us begin by append. So my existing list, I want to add gray and I will print it. Let us just run this and you can see gray has also been appended to my list. Similarly, let me show you the extend operator, how it works. So here, make sure you are specifying whatever the value you want in the square braces. So I will add in white and black. So now we have extended our list. Let us run this. Right click and click on the run. As we can see, the 2 new values have been added. Let's move forward and look at the next data type, that is dictionaries.
Thanks for watching this video.